Welcome back, chemistry fans. Today is the first homework for Unit 8, so let's get right into it. Share my screen, and let's see if we can solve this problem really quick here. Okay, so what we've got, molarity. Molarity is a formula we just learned today, which is moles divided by liters. Well, in this problem, we have 952 grams. That's not moles. So what we're going to have to do is think back to the mole map. And in the mole map, we have moles in the middle, grams are on the side. To go from grams to moles, we need to divide. So I'm going to take the 952 and I'm going to divide it by the weight of NH42CO3. So I'm going to go onto my periodic table and start adding up all this weight. There are two nitrogens. They each weigh 14. So that's 14 plus 14. There are 8 hydrogens. There is 1 carbon, and there are 3 oxygens. And that total is 96. So I've got 952 divided by 96. That is 9.9 with sig figs, 9.92 moles. So that goes up here. Now, divided by my number of liters. To go milliliters into liters, you simply divide by 1,000. That means this is 1.750. And put those two values in the calculator, 9.92 divided by 1.75, and you get 5.67 capital M, which is the unit for molarity. Okay, number 2 now. What we've got here is 345 milliliters of a 1.5 molar. Ooh. So I'm going to convert first off this milliliters into liters, making that 0.345. And then what I don't know is what is this value here? Unknown. Oh, wait, hold on. Well, we could figure out how many grams or how many moles it is, but the reality is this question is asking something slightly different. It's saying, okay, you could solve for this and then use that same value with an additional 125 milliliters, or we have our own new formula. So we don't have to go through this molarity calculation if we don't like. We have this new formula. It's M1V1 equals M2V2. That's a dilution formula. So my original molarity is 1.5. My original volume is 0.345. I know now that I've added 125 to that 345 original milliliters to be 470. So I could look for my new molarity simply by solving this math problem. 1.5 times 0.345 divided by 0.47, and I get 1.10, well, 1.1, and the unit for that one is molarity. All right, well, that's a much simpler task than having to do 2 problems with molarity formula. All right, well, thank you very much for your time. Hopefully you didn't find this too difficult. Talk to you again soon. Farewell.